Hi everyone, this is Selina. Welcome back to one of my videos. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Selina and I release a crochet tutorial every week. And this week I'm bringing to you this beautiful vintage shawl. And as you can see, it features a V shape and fringes. So the fringes are really long. I really enjoyed making this this shawl, and as always the free pattern can be found on my blog selinaveronique.com. The link will be in the down bar. And so this shawl features the shell stitch, as you can see. So for this project I used one skein of Rico Creative Wool Degrade. I'll be linking this yarn in the down bar, and I've completely finished that skein of yarn. It's quite a large skein of yarn, and as you can see it has different shades of pink. And once again, I'll link it in the down bar, but I think it contains 70% acrylic and 30% wool. So this shawl is really nice and cozy. I also used a 4mm crochet hook, a tapestry needle, and a pair of scissors, and that's it. And I will be using US terms with British terms in brackets, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. That really helps out my channel. And if you want more feminine crochet content, don't forget to head over to my Patreon page. The link is in the down bar. Okay, so to begin this tutorial you will be making a slip knot, so just go ahead and make a slip knot. Pop your hook through and tighten, and now you are going to be chaining 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, and once you've chained 4 you are going to be slip stitching through the first chain that you made, like so, to create a circle into which you will be working. So now you are going to be chaining 3, 1, 2, 3, and this counts as your first double crochet. And now you are going to be placing 6 more double crochets within this center, and we are going to be fastening in the loose end as we go. So to create your first double crochet, wrap your yarn around your hook, go into the center, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Take your yarn and pull through 2 loops, and take your yarn and pull through 2 loops, and that creates a double crochet. And now you are going to be placing 5 more double crochets inside this center, so that you have 7 double crochets in total, including the chain 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you want 7 double crochets in total, including the chain 3 from the beginning. Okay, so now that you've got your first row, you are going to be chaining 1, 2, 3 and 4. Turn your work and place a single crochet into this first stitch here. So to create a single crochet, go directly into this stitch, like so. Pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on your hook. Take your yarn and pull through 2 loops, and this creates a circle here. Now chain 1, 2 and 3 and count 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochets in the cluster from the previous row, and place a single crochet into that. Now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and go into the last chain from the chain 3 from the previous row, with a single crochet like so, and chain 1, 2, 3 and 4, and go back into that stitch with a single crochet. And this is what we have, and this is what I call the skeleton row. So this is row 2, and now what we are going to be doing is turning our work and chaining 1, 2, 3, and this counts as your first double crochet. And now place 6 more double crochets into this center that we've created, so that we have 7 double crochets in total for this cluster. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, including the chain 3. So now that we have this, we are going directly into the single crochet from the previous row and place a single crochet into that, and now go into the next center here with 7 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so this is row 3 finished, and now for the next row we are going to be chaining for 1, 2, 3 and 4. Turn your work, and you are going to be placing a single crochet in the first stitch to create this circle here. Now chain 1, 2 and 3 and count 1, 2, 3, 4 and go into that 4th double crochet with a single crochet. Now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3 and go into skip 1, 2 and 3 double crochets and go into the single crochet here at the center with a single crochet. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and go back in with a single crochet to create a circle. And this is the circle where we will be placing a cluster of 7 double crochets in the next row. So again, this is what I call the skeleton row. So 1, 2 and 3, skip 1, 2, 3, 4, skip 3 double crochets from the previous row and go into the 4th double crochet with a single crochet. And now chain 1, 2 and 3 and go into the 3rd chain from the chain 3 from the previous row, which is also our last stitch, and chain 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we've placed a single crochet into that, chain 4, and now go back in with another single crochet. And this is what we have. So as you can see, this pattern is growing. Let me just show you like this, and we are going to be alternating these 2 rows over and over. Okay, so now turn your work once again, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and this counts as a double crochet. Go into this circle here and place 6 double crochets. So just go ahead and place 6 double crochets into this center. Sorry, there we go. 7. So we have a cluster of 7 double crochets, because obviously the chain 3 counts as a double crochet. Now skip this arch here and go directly into the single crochet from the previous row with a single crochet, and now skip this arch and go directly into this circle with 7 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 double crochets, and go directly into the single crochet from the previous row with a single crochet to anchor this project down, and skip this arch here and go into the last circle and place 6 double crochets into that. And this is what this row looks like. So as you can see, this is a very easy pattern to follow. I'm just going to show you the next 2 rows, and then I'll let you carry on your own. Okay, so now what we are going to be doing is chaining 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, turn your work and go into the first stitch with a single crochet to create a circle. Now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3 and count 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochets in the cluster and place a single crochet into that 4th double crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, skip 1, 2 and 3 double crochets and go directly into the single crochet from the previous row with a single crochet. Now chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and go back into that single crochet with another single crochet to create this circle. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, count 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochets from the previous row and place a single crochet into that. Now chain 1, 2 and 3, skip 1, 2, 3 double crochets and go into the single crochet from the previous row with a single crochet. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and go back into that stitch with a single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3 and count 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochets and go into that 4th double crochet with a single crochet, and now count 1, 2 and 3 and go directly into the chain 3 from the previous row with a single crochet. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and go back into that single crochet. No, go back into that stitch with a single crochet. And this is what we have for this row. So as you can see, our pattern is growing. So I'll just show you the next row and then I'll let you do the rest of this project on your own. So now count 1, 2 and 3 chains, turn your work, and this counts as your first double crochet, place 6 more double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and that means we have 7 in total because the first chain 3 counts as a double crochet. Go directly into the chain 1 from the previous row with a single crochet, and now go directly into the chain 4 here with 7 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and go into that single crochet with a single crochet. And now I'm simply going to show you what to do. So go directly into this next circle with 7 double crochets, and then go into this single crochet from the previous row with a single crochet, and then go directly into the last circle here with 7 double crochets. Okay, so repeat these 2 rows, alternating them until you have 34 rows in total. If you need more help, just rewind this video or head over to my blog, selinaveronique.com. The link is in the down bar, and just do this until you have 34 rows in total. And then once you complete this, I'll get back to you to show you how to create the fringe. Okay, so I've done all my rows, and now I'm going to show you how to do the fringe. So the fringe is really easy to do. As you can see, I've already made some, and I have chosen to do quite long fringes. So for this part, the fringes are quite long, like I just said, and I am using a 10-inch book to do the fringes. So just go ahead and choose a book that you want to use and the size of the fringes you want to do. But for me, this is a 10-inch book, and so I'm just going to take my yarn, as you can see, and go around the book twice like this, because I don't want my fringe to be too thick. And I am going to snip it off like that and snip it off at the bottom. Take my fringe, and this is what I have. And I am going to place it on my my shawl. So to do so, you are going to take your fringe, fold it in half, and just choose the next place you want to place it on your shawl. I'm just going to zoom in a tiny bit. I'm going to go through with my hook and then pull the top of the fringe through because it's folded over. I hope this is making sense. So now we've got a loop here, as you can see, and I'm gonna pull the strands through this loop. So I'm just gonna pull the strands through gently and then gently tighten my strands, and this is how I'm attaching my my fringe. And just repeat this process over and over until you are satisfied with how many fringes you have. I have popped quite a few fringes here. I'm just going to de-zoom now, sorry, and I am going to be popping a fringe all across this part here up to the bottom V, and then all the way up again and up to this part here. So quite a few fringes. But yes, I'll let you carry this on. I usually prepare a few fringes in advance so that it's easier to pop them on. So just go ahead and do this, and then I'll meet you back after that.